Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to show you how to earn money and withdraw money from Bing. Okay, so this is Microsoft Bing. So you can earn points by searching anything daily. Okay, so you can search from your mobile phone and from your laptop or computer. Okay, so here, so I have earned these points. So go to the rewards, and so now go down and you can see the Amazon gift card. Okay, click on redeem now and redeem reward. So 500 rupees gift card, I'm eligible. Okay, redeem it. Then you have to put the verification code. It can be sent to your email address. So verify you are a human, and once you verified confirm reward, then wait for the code. Either you can send the code in SMS in your mobile number, or you can call on mobile number. Okay, so I'm sending the SMS to my mobile number. So when I get the 6-digit code, I put here 236386. This is the verification 6-digit number. So complete my order. Now you have to go to email, okay, and wait for the gift card code. Okay, so here are the 7,840 points deducted. Now when I check my email, so it can take a long time as for 48 hours, and in my case I got this by 24 within 24 hours. So I'm refreshing it, but it doesn't come, so I'm going to make another video. Okay, so here after uh, like within 24 hours I've got this one. Okay, now here is a gift card code, so you have to copy the gift card code. Okay, copy it, and now go to the Amazon app, and after going there, so go to your profile, its icon written U. Okay, so after that go to your account again. After this, go to add gift card to your balance. So if you see my balance is zero, available balance is zero, enter the gift card, paste it, and add gift card to balance. Now you can see my balance has been updated to 500 rupees. So by using Bing, you can earn 500 rupees every time when you make 7,840 points. Okay, so if you want me to make a detailed video on this Bing, how to make earn money, so you can comment me.